What's wiggling, Warenoticers? It's your boy, Mr. CEO, Big Daddy Shane Muma of this beautiful, awesome, fantastic technology YouTube channel that is Warenotice. And guys, in this video, we're going to be unboxing a bunch of these brand spanking new bad boys right here. These are the Philips Hue White and Color Ambiance Retrofit Recessed Downlights. So basically, they are color changing, internet connected, smart home Philips Hue light bulbs that go in your recessed lighting. So yeah, folks, I'm super duper excited to get these guys out of the box and get to using them. And before I do that, I've just got to give a huge thank you to Philips for giving me a nice press discount on these guys to make a video about them. So thank you, Philips, and without further ado, let's get these guys out of the box, baby. Ooh. Warenotice, 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 Warenotice. I got the tech and you already know this. Straight out the box and straight to your screen. I'm making tech vids oh so clean. Warenotice, 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 Warenotice. Making them wiggle and wiggle like Warenotice. 4 years later now, who want beef? I got subs and they watching me. So now folks, here we are up close and personal with one of these boxes. Obviously I got 4 of them to outfit the whole room, but in this video we can just unbox one of them to make the process simpler. Obviously all the 4 different boxes are the same. So yeah, here we are. We've got a picture of the light right here. We've got its name right here, Philips Hue White and Color Ambiance 5/6 inch retrofit recessed downlight. And yeah, app control, Bluetooth. Also they work over Wi-Fi too. They work with Apple's HomeKit. They work with Siri, Alexa, Google Assistant, all these different smart assistants. These are pretty cool. And yeah, folks, as you can see right here, they can create warm white light all the way to cool white light, as well as 16 million different colors. So yeah, over here on this side of the box, we've got more information about them right here, as well as another picture. Over here on the back, also more information. Over here on this side, more information as well. Also talks about what I said earlier, Google Assistant, Alexa, all that good stuff. And yeah, folks, so let's open up this box. So first things first, we can just pop this part right here and we can open it up just like this. And then obviously once we got it open, we can pull the light bulb out of it just like this. We can put it right here and we can just dump out the rest of the box, and voila, just like that. Now you can see it is nice and empty. So now folks, right here in the box, we have this little screwy thing for connecting the bulb to the actual thing the bulb gets screwed into in the ceiling. Right here we have the bulb itself. Look at this guy right here. Oh yeah, Philips right there. We can put this to the side. Right here, just some cardboard protection for that bulb in the box. And yeah, we also have a bunch of little paperwork right here. And yeah, folks, that is all that's in one of these boxes. So without further ado, I'm going to take all of them out of the box off camera and let's get them installed. And now folks, just like that, I have these lights all nice and installed and set up. To do that, basically all I had to do was take the old recessed lights out of the ceiling, put these new Philips Hue ones in, then turn them on. Obviously makes sense. Then fire up the Philips Hue app, head into settings and tap light setup. Actually, the cool thing was after I did this and searched for the new lights, 3 of them were automatically found and connected to by the app. And then to get the 4th one connected, I just had to manually enter all their serial numbers in, and then boom, they were all connected. And yeah, I changed their names. Now I got them all set up here just the way I like them. So watch this. This light right here, that's down light 1. So if I flip this switch, boom, it is off, just like that. So obviously, yeah, one of the main ways to control these lights is through the Philips Hue app. You can really get nitty gritty and detailed with your level of customization. You can literally go light bulb by light bulb and change the color, change the brightness, do all these crazy things right here. So yeah, folks, before we get to diving deeper into these lights, Philips asked me to talk about 2 different things when I make my video about these. First of all is the Philips Hue bridge, which is basically the thing you need to connect all the Philips Hue lights to Wi-Fi and thus control them anywhere in the world. Yes, I have controlled my other Philips Hue light bulbs that I've already had from literally like 1,000 miles away from home, which is pretty cool to turn off your lights and turn them back on from that far away, change their color, all that cool stuff. So yeah, the Philips Hue bridge is pretty important, and if you want to get all the different features out of these lights, you're gonna need it. Unfortunately, it does not come with these recessed lights right here, but you can get it included with a Philips Hue starter pack that they do sell. So thankfully I already have that, because Philips once again was gracious enough to give me a nice press discount on not only these recessed lights but also all the Philips Hue lights I have, which is pretty crazy because I have 4 standard light bulbs, I have 2 play lights, and then I also have that Hue bridge, which once again is very, very important. And yeah, the other thing Philips asked me to talk about is how I use different light colors and scenes throughout my day with the lights that I have. So yeah, let me talk about that. So if we want to see the different scenes, we can go right here in the app and look at the preset ones, as well as down here the ones I added on my own. One that I created is this funk one, which makes all the lights purple and blue like this. I know it's pretty crazy, but I like it. And yeah, one of the standard ones, read, it makes all the lights just this nice sort of warm, bright white light that you can use for, I guess, reading. Another good one right here is relax. This is one that I've used a lot actually with the Philips Hue lights that I've already had, because before you go to bed you don't want some bright light staring at you, so this dims the light and makes it nice and warm, nice for if you're about to go to bed and thus want to relax. I definitely like this one a lot. And yeah, we've also got these 2 good ones, Energize, which has this really cool bright white light, and then we've got Concentrate, which is slightly less cool, but it says concentrate, so yeah. So how I see myself using these lights now that I have recessed lights here too, and the whole room's outfitted with literally 10 different Philips Hue lights. The way I see myself using these is probably during the day I'll probably use a more cool white light like this one for Concentrate, or maybe this one for Energize, and then obviously later in the day before I'm about to go to bed, when I'm done doing all the work I need to get done, I'll probably go to the standard relax one that I've already been using with my other Philips Hue lights. And maybe if I'm looking to have more fun during the day, I could play around with any of these other ones, Arctic Aurora, Spring Blossom, all these crazy ones. I definitely like all these different colors. And of course, if you're not really feeling one of these preset themes, once again, you can make your own, or you could just go crazy and make every light a crazy different color. I don't know, this one purple, and then I don't know, go over here and make this one green. Just all this crazy stuff. Look, can you tell that's green? That light's green. And yeah, another cool way to control these lights, actually one of my favorite ways, is by using a personal assistant. Once again, you can use Google Assistant, Alexa, and even Siri to control them. So yeah, one of my favorite features about these lights is you actually don't have to flip a light switch, obviously, to turn them on and off. You can just use your voice with any of those personal assistants. So for example, before I go to bed at night, I tell Alexa to turn my lights off most of the time, which is just pretty easy, because then you don't have to get out of bed, flip off the light switch, and then walk in the dark back to your bed. I know it's something simple, but it's regardless still cool. Or maybe if you don't want to talk to Alexa because you're scared to wake people up, another thing I do is I just flip the switch in my iPhone to turn them off. So yeah, that's pretty cool. Anyway, let's use Alexa to control these lights. So Alexa, turn all my lights red. And boom, just like that. Look, I'm in a red room right now, folks. This is crazy. And now let's test out Siri doing this. Siri, turn all my lights green. And boom, look at this. This is crazy. And yeah, folks, lastly, let's talk to Google. Okay, Google, turn all my lights blue. And boom, now it's really blue. So yeah, I'm gonna come back over here to my iPhone and I'm just gonna make these all normal white over here. Let's just do read. That's nice. Look at this, just normal light. And yeah, folks, those are just some of the awesome features you get with the Philips Hue line of smart lights. You can also use them to like wake you up in the morning by having the lights automatically turn on. That's a cool one. And a bunch of other awesome things like syncing them to your music. That's another cool one. And yeah, folks, there are definitely a lot of cool things you can do with these lights. Too many to get into in this nice, quick, easy unboxing video of just these recessed lighting up here. But yeah, definitely let me know down in the comments what you think of these Philips Hue smart lights. I definitely very much like them. I bet you've never seen someone get this excited about lights before, but hey, it's just what I do. So yeah, if you guys enjoyed this video, definitely be sure to smash that subscribe button and subscribe to the Warenotice Technology YouTube channel for more awesome technology videos just like this one. After all, I do love all my subscribers, so if you want my love, you know what to do. Smash the subscribe button and I'll love you. Anyway guys, thank you so much for watching and thank you so much for subscribing. Warenotice out with these brand new Philips Hue white and color ambiance recessed lighting, baby. Ooh.